Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2020 Eclipse Attitude 21 SAG-LE. If you have any questions on this unit, just go ahead and give me a call, 541-731-8583. Come on inside and we'll take a look. As you can see, this is a nice, comfortable size unit, perfectly towable behind a half-ton, but you still get all the features. You have the couch on this side, a bunk up here, two of the mobile chairs. The nice thing about these is they're free moving, so you can scoot them anywhere. Over on this side you have a nice good sized kitchen sink, tons of storage underneath, good sized drawers, a nice little oven with a 3-burner cooktop and a high point microwave. And then you also still get a good sized fridge. And then tons more storage up here. And what I really like about these storage is it's all pass-through, so it's a good place to store your poles and tabletops when you're traveling. A nice central command center with all of your audio controls for your interior speakers, exterior speakers. It's all Bluetooth capable, so you can pair your phone to it and play all the music off your phone, Pandora, or whichever service you use. These are all your controls for the awnings, water pumps, lighting. And then as you come in here, as you can see, this is on the shorter end as far as trailers go, but you still get a nice big bathroom with the vanity, the mirror, everything you need, and some towel hooks. Come on back in here. This will be your bedroom, good sized wardrobe and drawers. You also have power back there, TV connectability. Power sources here, charge your cell phones, and a good amount of storage up across the top. And over here you'll see your solar charge controller, so you have the trickle charging of the batteries, so you can really go off the grid with these things. As you come out here, you'll see electric awning, marine grade speakers, dual axle, and then back here's your ramp door. As you can see, nice and easy to operate. It flops right down. Come around back over here, you have a fuel station set up, so you can carry enough fuel to put in all your toys. All of your water connections, your dump valve, fresh water connection, city water connection. And then down here you have your 4,000 EVAP Onan generator. And then again, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews. We're here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions, this is the 2020 Eclipse Attitude 21 SAG-LE. Again, my cell phone number is 541-731-8583. Give me a call or shoot me a text if you have any questions.